Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video guys, I will teach you how to install the XFCE Linux desktop to your Android phone or any Android phone version. So in this video, you are going to download the Termux and the T11 to your mobile phone and run some commands. I will include the links or commands below. You can check it there. You can now pull Experience Desktop Linux to your mobile phone. Just connect it to your HDMI TV using USB Type-C to HDMI. Just simply as that. Okay. As you can see on video, this is a plain and newly installed XFCE Linux. And then this is plain desktop, so you need to customize the appearance themes like icon and folder colors depending on your taste. And now let's get started to install. First, you need to download the Termux from F-Droid website. I will drop the link below, so you may check it out there. And then once it's done, so install, then install that. The next one is T11 application. First, you need this application CPU info to know what version of your processor. Mine is RM64 8B. So what we need to download is this one. Just install, just install this one and do not do anything. The next should run the Termux terminal. Okay, just follow my command and go finish the installation. Finally, this is my installation is done. So you can now um, use a desktop experience on your mobile phone or Android phone.